Welcome to Mrs. Perna's class.
Hi. My kids bought me a Treasure X Dino Gold. So we're gonna open it up and we'll see what we get. Got lots of little cute toys for my birthday. So here we go. Let's see, step 1, remove the jungle. So we ended up with a Tachycadactyl with his cyborg circuit board for my dinosaur Dino X Treasure X. Woohoo!